SDG, or Sustainable Development Goal 12, is all about promoting responsible consumption and production habits. It aims to ensure that we use resources effectively and minimize waste. This includes things like reducing food waste, using less harmful chemicals, and making products that last longer. This extends to financial decision-making. This entails prioritizing sustainable products, avoiding wasteful spending, and supporting businesses aligned with these goals. By making informed financial choices, you can be a responsible consumer and contribute to SDG 12's objectives.
Hindi naman ginagawa kayo. Gusto ba kayo? Ay, naman tayo. Tara na ako. Tara. Sure kayo. Okay na yan. Kaya mo na tayo.
Kulang na pala yung baon ko para ngayong linggo. Paano ko kaya pagkakasya itong 200 kong baon? Saan ko nga ba nagastos yung baon ko? Yung pera kong to? Hindi ko na tuloy matandaan.
Ano nangyari sa'yo dyan? Parang problemado ka.
Kasi naman, namumroblema ako. Yung 1,000 kong baon, naging 200 na lang ngayon. Hindi ko na nga alam saan napunta yun eh. Ngayon, hindi ko na alam paano ko pagkakasya yun sa 1 linggo.
Ano ka ba, te? Napakadali lang ang solusyon para sa problema mong iyan. Alam mo kung ano? Magtipid ka kasi. Ito yan yung app na gamit ko kung paano ko mag-budget yung aking expenses at allowance.
Talaga? Patingin nga ng mga features neto.
The Beam app is a user-friendly digital budget planner that is designed for high school students and families to manage their finances effectively. With the Beam app, you can set and achieve financial goals, track your spending, and be informed about your financial decisions. The Beam app has features like budget, activity, account, and home buttons to personalize your experience. For the budget button, this is where you can set your weekly budget allowance and set the limit for your spendings. For the activity button, this is where you can see when and what kind of purchases you did over the day and the weekends. For the account button, this is where you can record all of your accounts like bank, savings, and your capital. You can also add your options depending on how many other accounts you have. Last but not the least is the home button. This is where you can record your weekly expenses and to know when you have already reached your allotted budget.
Hala, ang ganda naman neto. Kaya pala hindi ka na problema sa mga pera mo.
Kaya ikaw, download mo na.
Sino ka? Hindi naman kita kilala.
Kaya nga, te, sino ba yun? Basta ikaw, download mo tong app para di ka na problema.
Sige na nga.